right, Devon, what brought you into the office?
Some major lower back pain from a car accident, and my neck was really hurting as well. I had been going to regular chiropractors, cracking me for probably about 5 months, and didn't feel any relief or anything getting better, so decided to try something different.
Well, what did you think of this technique?
It feels like magic.
Were you scared of that first adjustment? What did you think?
It was a little weird, or just different, but I mean, I immediately felt the difference and felt, relief and not as much pain, so.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.